Hey everyone, it's Mike here from the SEO Pub. Recently I did a video showing I shared a spreadsheet that I use to organize internal linking by topic clusters, and it's a spreadsheet that I use very frequently with clients. I mentioned in that video that sometimes I also use, or instead of that, I use Monday.com to keep track of and organize all of our internal linking. Some of my clients just prefer to have everything in Monday, so we do it that way. And I've gotten some requests and a couple messages, people asking for me to show them how I do it in Monday instead of using that spreadsheet. I prefer the spreadsheet, to be honest, and I'll leave a link to that video down below in the description. But I'm going to show you how it can also be done in Monday pretty easily. What I do is I create a new board, and then each topic cluster I make as a group inside the board. So this is a group, down here is a group. So this is the first topic cluster, and I'm just putting generic information in here. This is the second topic cluster, third topic cluster, fourth, and so on. And inside then each topic cluster, we put the supporting articles, and I would actually put the article titles here for these, or the URLs of the titles. This in the topic cluster title, I put the actual URL of kind of the pillar page or your top topic page, and then the supporting articles down here. Status column is pretty simple. Just, if it's being written, stuck, published, whatever you want to put in there. And then all of these articles are going to link back to the pillar page. So here I put the anchor text that we're going to use to link when we link back to the pillar page. I also include a couple additional spots where sometimes I may want supporting article 1 to link to supporting article 3, or maybe this article is going to link to another topic cluster somewhere. So in here, I'll put the URL of what else I want to link to, as well as the anchor text we're going to use for that one. And then I also do another spot. So if I want a third link, I put it here. And you could go on and on with these links, doing as many as you want. But usually, sometimes we'll put a few more links in this, but usually there's 2 or 3 as far as the topic cluster that I'm really concerned with. And that's what we track inside of here. And just do the same thing for each topic cluster. I'll build out a new group. Sometimes if we have a lot of topic clusters, what I'll do is I'll try to organize them, and I'll create a new board for a particular topic, and then have these separate groups for all the different topic clusters that go under that topic. And just to show you what it looks like, a little more kind of real example. So this would be if we were building a topic cluster around tips to improve productivity. And I'd have some website here, we'd have a blog article, tips to improve your productivity, the URL there. And then we would have these supporting articles. We'd have an article about the Eisenhower matrix, an article about Eat the Frog, another article about SMART goals, article about best task management software, and then another article about the Cornell method of note taking. So all these are topics within productivity and task management kind of stuff. And then again, we put the status of what the status is of the article, the anchor text that we want to use. So for the Eisenhower Matrix article, I want to use tips for improving your productivity when we link back to this pillar page. For the next article, I want to use how to improve productivity. This one, improving productivity, and so on. So we do some different anchors linking back to this page. But then I also want the Eisenhower Matrix to link to the Eat the Frog article. So I put that in here, and we're going to use the anchor text, how to eat the frog. Then I want it also to link to the SMART goals article. So these three kind of go together a little bit in that they're different methods of Eisenhower Matrix and Eat the Frog are kind of productivity methods. SMART goals has to do with how you set goals and establish your goals. So all of these I have kind of linking together. The Eat the Frog article is going to link to the Eisenhower Matrix using the anchor text using Eisenhower Matrix. It's also going to link to the Eat the Frog article, and it's going to use the anchor text. What does eat the frog mean? And then the SMART goals one is linking to the Eisenhower Matrix. What is an Eisenhower Matrix? It's also linking to the Eat the Frog article, just using Eat the Frog. So this is a little shows you just kind of more of a real example of how I might do this if I'm tracking this in Monday and how I would set this up to track all of our internal links of what is linking to what. Again, I'll drop a link down below for the other example that I use, the spreadsheet that I use, and the spreadsheet's the way I typically go. But a lot of people were asking because I mentioned that I also do this in Monday for some clients who prefer it in Monday, and how exactly I go about doing that. So it's just really simple to set up. I set this all up as a template, and then inside Monday you can import templates into any new projects that you're setting up really easily. So it's all set to go that way. All right, that's it for this video. If you haven't had a chance yet, make sure you go to the SEOpub.com, sign up for the email list there. It's completely free. And once a week, I send out a quick message like this with ideas and strategies that I'm using in my own business, working directly with clients. Thanks for watching. I'll see everyone in the next video.